Hi, Sriram.
Hello?
Hi, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, how
Good
are
evening.
you? Yeah,
Good, I'm doing fine. How are you?
yeah, I'm good. Thank you. So let's move on to the next lesson. Okay, this is dictionary. We cover, this is a new data type. It's an advanced data type, much like lists, but this is called dictionary. We have seen it briefly, but we'll take that up next. Okay. So this is the concept of dictionary. It's a data type. Okay, basically a dictionary is one of the advanced data types in Python. The basic data types we have seen are the integer, um, float, then we have strings and all that, a boolean. The advanced data type started with list, and dictionary is the next one. Okay, so we did work with lists in the earlier session. Our a dictionary is what we are looking in this particular session. Now, we also had the concept of looping through a list, right? Okay. So here, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Okay, a collection of key value pairs. Now, a dictionary will have, you can identify the dictionary with flower brackets. This is curly brackets, okay, also called flower brackets, okay. So we have seen earlier, okay. So the key values are in this order. There's a key, colon, the value, okay. So here apples is the key, okay, colon, the value, 2. So there are 2 apples, okay, and they are separated by a comma. Okay. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. So you have one key value here, one key value pair, comma, the next key value pair. Oranges, colon, 1. Okay. So there are 2 apples and 1 oranges. Inside flower brackets. So whenever you want to identify a dictionary, you will always have this syntax, a flower brackets. Okay. And key value pair separating these key value pairs is a comma. Okay, you can have multiple key value pairs like that. So here count is equal to a dictionary. So this is how you create a dictionary and assign it to an object. Okay, so counts is my variable assigned to this dictionary. Okay, then when you want to loop through the dictionary, you can say for key in counts. For key in counts, often you can also say key comma value in counts. For key in counts, it will loop through these keys. Okay, loop through these keys. Print key will just print apples, oranges like that. Okay, you can also do print within square brackets star dictionary. Star the dictionary name will print the list of the keys like that. So it is going to print apples, comma, oranges like that. Often when you look through dictionary, you will use for key, comma, value in. Okay, so here you can only do for key in counts, colon. But when I have to look through both key and value, I will use a dictionary like this for key comma value in dictionary name dot items. Dictionary name dot items. So that's we'll come to that in a while. Now here is another example of a dictionary. Okay, here is, let's say we have a student's database. Okay, I have a dictionary of various student roll number and names. So I have 001 colon Bob. Okay, the key value pairs can be any value. Okay, it need not be a string and number and things like that. Okay, so here I have both of them as strings. Okay, 002 Jane, 002 Fadi. It's a list of, it's a dictionary of students. This is my students dictionary. Okay, now to modify a value, to add, okay, my first case is I'm adding a new student to this existing database. Okay, so student of square bracket. Yeah, so students of means here student square bracket 4. This is my new value of the key. Okay, the keys are always unique. Okay, in a dictionary keys are unique, so I cannot add anything new with the same key. However, when I add a new value, I would say the name of the dictionary square bracket the new key 004 equal to Mel. So now my dictionary will have the fourth element 004 Mel. Okay. Then when I say print students, it will print the whole dictionary. Okay. Further, let's say I'm trying to update the student at position 3003. I'm changing the name of this particular value, the name of the student from Fadi to Ben. Okay, so I can change the name of the student like this: student of 3 equal to Ben. So then that will be, when I print students, it will just show the value. Instead of Fadi, it will show Ben. Okay, now let's say I want to remove this student 4. I can say del student 4, student of 4. Okay, and then I print, it will show without that particular element. So we have seen how to modify the dictionary. We started off with 3 students, added a student, modified the third student name, updated this third student name, and removed the particular student which we added. Okay, so this is how you modify a dictionary. Okay, dictionaries can be nested. Okay, so nested dictionaries where I have a list of users. Let's say I have some portal and I have a list of users who are logged into the portal or some data like that. So data here is in key values. You can nest one dictionary inside the other dictionary. So I have an inner dictionary which has some further key values. So the inner dictionary here is name, Bob, his job is a developer, city of New York, email is bob@reply.com. So here I have one dictionary, but that dictionary is in the position of the value of my outer dictionary of users. So users have user number 1, 1001, with the inner dictionary as colon, the inner dictionary, and a comma here. So the key value is 1001 is a key, and the whole value itself is sitting as another dictionary. So this is a nested dictionary. And then a comma separating it goes to the next user, 1002, inner dictionary. Inner dictionary seems to have the same key structure and the values. So name, Jane, job, tester, city, Paris, email, jane@reply.com. So this is a nested dictionary. In a nested dictionary, you can look through the dictionary with dictionary name dot items. So this is a built-in function of the dictionary. Okay, so this notation is dictionary name dot items, and it's parenthesis brackets here. So for key comma value in dictionary name dot items colon. And now I'm going to print out a database of you have an employee number, comma key. So I print name. Okay, key is 101, employee number. Now to access the value of that inner dictionary, let's say here I want to access the name Bob. It is this value and a square bracket to go to the value of the inner attribute. You can also call the inner dictionary's key. So the inner dictionary's key and its value can be value of the key name, value of name, value of job. Okay, so then it is going to print employee name Bob, job is dev. The inner attributes you can print like this. Value of this value is this column here. I mean this value we're picking up in the index here. Value of job. Value of email will return bob at AAA.com. So this is an output of the nested dictionary. So this here, it need not have this exact names. Okay. For key comma value can also be for k comma v or any names. Okay. Just two names which you're picking will automatically adjust to this key and this whole inner dictionary as values. Okay. So dictionaries can I'll come back here. Dictionaries can loop through the key for key in counts. At that time, we are not using the value. Okay. Then you can just loop through the keys with the name of the dictionary itself. However, when you want to loop through to get the key and value together, you have to use a built-in function, dictionary name, user dictionary dot items. Okay, this items is a built-in function of dictionary used only inside the loops. Okay, so like that. So let's look at okay, so let's look at okay, here are I put some extra values in this dictionary. So my count, okay, apples colon 2, oranges colon 3, kiwi 5, pineapple 1. Okay, so there are more fruits here. You can loop like this for k comma v in my count dot items print kv. Okay, so it need not be the word key and value. It can be any names. The common Python notation is you have k comma v. Okay, can be anything. So then it creates a dictionary. We are looping through to print key and values. Okay, so now it prints apple 2, oranges 3, in that order. So is this clear? This is the most commonly used built-in function. Dictionary name dot items. It is a function. Okay, so it returns dictionary. But dictionary, you know the English dictionary, right? The concept of dictionary is similar to the English dictionary. Okay, if you open the English dictionary, what do you find? You have a word and you have meanings, right? So everything is sorted in an alphabetical order. There are no two words the same, right? So if you find a word, it occurs only one time. So the keys here in this Python dictionary are also unique. Okay, so no two keys will be the same. Okay, and it is similar, like you have a key, much like the English word in the English dictionary, and then you have its meaning, right? So the value of that. So similarly here, you have key and the value. Okay. So that's the dictionary name dot items, which you'll use inside the loops. Okay, this is available only when you use inside the loops. And when you say for key comma value in dictionary name dot items, it allows you to print like that. Okay. Just I will pass this in the chat. Are you able to get this? Dictionaries. It's a sorry, yeah. Pick it up from the chat, please. Okay. To access the value, you can say dictionary of a key. So it's like the English dictionary name of that key, you'll get the meaning of the word, right? Dictionary name of the word. So the notation used is square brackets. Okay. So square brackets of the key will give you the value. So this is another way, but yeah, here you're not using key comma value or k comma v notation. The moment you use k comma v notation, you have to use, this is a table of key value pairs dot item, but here you're just using the name of the dictionary. So to print the value, you can say key comma dictionary name of key. So that's another way of looping through a dictionary, but the most common one is like this, k comma v in dictionary dot items. And this is another one, dictionary name and value. Name and key will give you value. Yeah, when you see this for k comma v, think of the English dictionary like a table. Okay, the words are on the left, the right side is the value of the word. Okay, so for k comma v in dictionary name dot items. So this is dictionary name dot items, a built-in function only used inside the loops. Okay. If you're just looping through the key, then you don't need these items. Just looping through the key, but you can derive the value by dictionary name of key. Like that. Are you getting the output, Srinath?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on. Students dictionary. We see the same example, whatever we looked at. Print students is equal to, like that, key values Bob, Jane, and Paddy. So we are going to do some operations on the dictionary by inserting the students. Add a new student. Key colon value, key colon value, comma, key colon value, comma, key colon value. It goes like that. Okay. So once you add, you print the new student. I think it is not created. Yeah. So when you create this dictionary, you get this output. Then you're adding a new student, 4, and then you're printing. So the dictionary gets inserted with the new value like that. Okay. The student square bracket, the key, we read student of the key name. is equal to the value. So it takes a new value Ben. Okay. So here we are updating student 3 equal to Ben, print student. So value of Fadi is changed to Ben. The change of value, we are setting a new value. Okay. We're setting. Yeah, we're setting a new value. Okay. Now let's say we are removing the last value or any particular value to be removed. We say del, short for delete. Delete the dictionary name students of the key name. The key is 004. So, and then 004 key value pairs are removed. So the dictionary is having the same list of students we started. Okay. Removing update Ben. Let me just Ben. That's your new list. Okay. And removing one student from the list. Okay. So this is about insert, update, and delete operation on students dictionary. Okay. Next, we have a nested dictionary. What we saw there, users. Let's say these are users who logged into a portal. Okay, user number one, first 1001 is the user login and his information. Okay. So this is our first users dictionary. First user, comma. Okay. Inner dictionary is got flower brackets, but the key and the value, comma, next key and the value, like that. Okay. So this is a users dictionary. Okay. Let's create this. So here I've used a different name, user info. You just a key comma value can be just k comma v, but that's okay. I'm looping through k and value. So these two positions will take key and value. It need not matter whatever you're using here, you're going to use the same notation here. This name will be similar to this name. Okay. So these key and value are like the moment you see dictionary name dot items, you should think of the English dictionary having a key on the left and the value on the right. It's a table like that. Okay. So then it prints your output like that. So this name, I change the k comma v notation here to put user info deliberately so that you recollect that name is same here. Okay, user info of name, user info of job. So the inner attributes, inner keys are with this name now as the inner key. Yeah, you get this output. Okay. So user one It's a database of user, employee name, username. Okay. So in Python, you have another module called collections. Okay. A collections is also a dictionary. Okay, so this is how you create a dictionary normally, right? We have seen notations like a simple key value pair separated by separated by comma, okay, with flower brackets. The moment you see this flower bracket, think it's a dictionary, okay? And you will see that there's a key colon value, comma, key colon value like that. So the moment, this is one way of creating a dictionary. Another way of creating a dictionary is you can use a module called collections. And this module is having special data type, which has ordered dictionary. Ordered dict means ordered dictionary. So this is another way of creating a dictionary. So I'm using import collections. Okay, that module is available, and collections dot ordered dict open close bracket. So this is one value which is a dictionary. So D1 is, let's say, the directions of the compass. Okay, a direction. Let's say you have a compass, and I'm having an empty dictionary created like this. So often you might want to create an empty dictionary. So then you would use this collections object, collections module, collections dot ordered dict is equal to D1. So this is my dictionary object. Thereafter I go D1 of north is equal to 40. D1 of south is equal to 80. So I can, in this case, I've used the direction so that it's unique. Okay. So north, south, east, and west. And I can set some values. Okay. So let's say you are having a compass, and here is the collections dictionary initialized as empty dictionary, and later I'm adding value. Adding first key value pair, next key value pair, the next one like that. Okay. So now I got 4 unique values inside this dictionary D1, and thereafter I can print like this for k comma v in D1 dot items, print k comma v. So this D1 dot items we have already used, dictionary name dot items. So if you run this, you get the dictionary. Okay. All right. So that's a collections object. Okay. So let's import collections. You don't have to install. This is available in Python as default. So whenever you have to initialize an empty dictionary, you can use the ordered dict function or the method inside that collections, and then go on to add individually like this. Okay. Then when you loop through that dictionary for key comma value in D1 dot items, print k comma value. Okay, so we are here. So that's it with the dictionary operations. Okay. Mostly we'll come back to this when we see JSON objects. Okay. So this method of this is a data type. Of course, dictionary is a data type. but we'll see where it is used in terms of web applications. Okay, I given some example like this is a portal and here are some logged in users information. So this method of representing key value pairs inside Python is called a dictionary, but when you take that external to Python, we'll see that in another session called JavaScript object notation or JSON. Okay, we'll come to that later. Okay, it's yeah. So that's this. Okay. Now, okay. So we'll wrap it up here. Have a good day. Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Take
You
care.
too.
Yeah. Take care. Bye.